Oh, it's you people. You're who I want to talk to. Hey, me and others like me have something to say to you griddle jockeys, all right? We're tired of being smashed. Why's it got to be us every time? Why don't you Blackstone warriors come up with something different for a change? We've had enough. And now you know. Why don't you smash a sausage, smash a chicken, smash a taco? Wait, what? Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So I know that at least 79 other channels have already done smash tacos. And I know that I'm late to the party, but I wasn't ready to do it until we had a twist on it. We couldn't do the same thing that everybody else is doing. We had to have a Galley of the Sun twist. And then it hit me. So today we give you Galley of the Sun smash tacos. I'll tell you, this is all from my head. I haven't tried it yet. You're going to see it. Whether or not this works, we'll find out. So let's get going. All right, first of all, I'm going to make 12 tacos today. So I need about 10 to 12 hatch green chili peppers. And we got them right here. Now, you see that some of them have some red in them and other ones are just totally green. Keep that in mind if you have people in your house that have different levels of spice tolerance. Because this puppy, this is going to be hot. This is going to be pretty mild. So keep that in mind. So, first of all, we're going to get our hatch green chilies onto a baking sheet here. Then we're going to hit them with a light coating of avocado oil. You don't have to get every bit of them covered, but try and do a decent job of it. So I have my oven on broil high. I have the top rack all the way up to the top. And we're going to put these in for about 4 minutes or so, pull them out, flip them, and put them in for another 4 minutes. What we're trying to do is get the skin separated from the meat, if you will, of the chili. You can do this with a blowtorch if you wish. You can do this on your grill over an open flame. This is just the most convenient for me right now, so that's what I'm doing. All right, so instead of 4 minutes, in about 3 minutes, we're going to take them now and flip them over. I was starting to smell the stems burn, but luckily it's not the peppers, it's just the stems. The black marks on the peppers, don't worry about that. It's going to be fine. It's going to help that skin separate. So we're going to get all these flipped over and then put them in for another 3 minutes. Now that we know that's the magic number. But of course, if you're of my age and you watch Schoolhouse Rock, you should have known that 3 is a magic number. Oh, yes, it is. All right, back in for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes on each side, and our peppers are looking perfect for what we want. Now, as I talked before, if they have some red in them, they're going to be spicier. So I've got 2 different plastic bags here, Ziploc bags. That way I can put the ones that I think are going to be more spicy in one bag to serve to the people that like spicy tacos, and then one for the more mild ones, my delicate girls. Now, if you're really afraid of the spice, go with poblanos from the very beginning. They're not going to be very spicy at all. That is assuming that this experiment works, which, you know, more times than not, it does. We're going to sit them in these Ziploc bags to let them steam. We're going to leave them there for at least 10 minutes for a couple reasons. One, that steaming is going to separate the harder outer skin from the soft, delicate, luscious meat of the inner pepper or chili. And the other one is we won't burn our freaking paws. So that's pretty important. So we'll see ya when that's ready. So the director has deftly de-skinned, deveined, and de-seeded all of our hatch green chilies. Now let's get the meat put together. So here's my thinking. One of the things that makes the SmashTaco so good is that crispy shell. Now to get that crispy shell, you need some oil to help crisp it up. So in chorizo, there's a lot of oils and incredible spices that's going to make it even better. So we're going to go with a 50-50 mixture of ground beef and chorizo. So right here I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And then together in these two packages, 1.5 pounds of pork chorizo. To that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our favorite taco seasoning, Cattleman's Grill Mexicano. Absolutely love this stuff. So basically a tablespoon per pound. Mix together the meats and the seasoning, get it all homogeneous. And then from there, we're going to measure out a bunch of 4-ounce balls of meat. We're going to repeat that process until we have all of our meats balled up. Then we're on to the next step. We'll see you then. All right, so the good old Blackstone has been preheating for about 5 minutes. I can tell it's good and hot. So we're going to put down our 4 balls of meat here. Good spacing. We're experimenting a lot with this one. First of all, we're going to cover each bowl of meat with our hatch green chili. There's our 2 hot ones for me. There's the 2 mild ones for the director. And then we'll try each one with a corn tortilla and a flour tortilla. Now we smash. Get that tortilla recentered there. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. I am going to lose a little bit because I added that hatch green chili. If I didn't, then the oils from that chorizo are going to come up and soak into that tortilla and just get it ready to make it even crisper when we will go to flip it. However, I have thought about that and I think I have a plan to fix that. I'll tell you what, it is smelling amazing. I can smell the chorizo cooking. I can smell those spices from the Mexicano seasoning and that hatch green chili. All right, so the corn tortillas are curling up on me a bit, so I'm gonna leave the spatula on there to keep those flat, so when we go to make our taco, we have better success. Now I'm about ready to flip them, so I need to get them over to the side of the grill so I can take care of my taco crisping problem that I think I might have. So we'll get them scooted over. And you can see there the grease that's coming out from the chorizo. It's giving me exactly what I want here. All right, we got those moved over. So now I'm gonna put down some achote or annetto infused oil on this side to help us crisp those up. Not too much, not going too crazy, maybe a couple tablespoons. Get that spread around. And then we'll flip our tacos right on top of there. Now we're going to add some cheese. This is a mixture of cheddar and Monterey Jack and pepper jack. And then this is some Chihuahua cheese. I've been talking about this. Fantastic cheese for melting. Now we're going to work on getting them into their taco shape. There we go, give them the fold. And give them the flip. Making sure to place them where the oil is on the griddle. Let's get these inside and give them a try. All right, here we go. So we got them inside. We got them all dressed up with some shredded lettuce, some shredded tomatoes, and sour cream and salsa. We've got a corn one, we've got a flour one. The director's gonna try each one of them and let us know how they are and which is better. I think the fact that it was dripping grease as you were eating it is a very good indicator. So how was the corn?
Good. Very good.
Okay. Now the flour. Because we are a split family. Some like the flour shells, some like the corn ones. Is there one you think is better?
No.
Different taste, but still very good, both of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nice, crispy. Yummy.
Fantastic. There you go. So, smash tacos. You don't have to just smash your burgers anymore. You can smash other things. We'll try smashed meatloaf eventually.
No, we won't.
We will not try smashed meatloaf, but these are damn good. Hey, if you like what you saw today, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, never miss an episode. As always, loyal viewer, thank you so much for watching us. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.